guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys have never been here before, my name is Matt. I am a quarantine turned me full-time reseller on POSHMARK and eBay. Used to be on Mercari, but not feeling it anymore. And I mainly sell women's, men's, and sometimes kids clothing when I can find the occasional amazing piece. I thought this would be a good look for the video, but I realized my hair is insane now, so I'm gonna change it up. Better. Now it's under control by my glasses. This is how it's been all day, so that's why my hair is like permanently back. Cool, let's get into this video. Today I'm super excited because I am going to show you guys an app that I discovered, and it's basically an only consignment app for resellers where we can get inventory from home and basically give people that send us inventory for free a cut of whatever we make. So it's super easy, and I would say there's a good amount of higher end items for premium, and I'm just gonna explain everything after this really cool intro that I put a lot of work into. Cool, stay tuned if you guys want to see more. Of course, this video is sponsored by this app. Flyp is the app. It's incredible. They reached out to me and I started talking to them and I had a conference call with them, and I really liked the features they were talking about, so I got on the app. This is gonna be a 3-video series where I get a lot from them, a lot of stuff, which I'll explain what a lot is in a minute. And I'm gonna explain how it works in this video. Next video, I'm gonna screen record and show you how I'm applying for the lots and getting accepted and putting in my commission rates. And then lastly, I'm gonna make a video when some of the stuff, hopefully all of it sells, and the process of me paying out the client that sends me their items for consignment. For this, you have to be accepted as a pro seller to be able to accept items and then sell them, so you have to be accepted. So you can go to my account, I'm gonna screen record. When you're already accepted, you'll have to apply, and then it'll be a few days probably, and you'll get an email to see if you're accepted or not. And this is my account, and as you can see that my eBay and POSHMARK is listed, so if I apply for a lot and to sell someone stuff, they choose who they want to accept to sell. And they can look at my POSHMARK and eBay and how many followers I have and how much money I think I can make them. So basically what a lot is somebody will post, let me show you, somebody browse lots. So every day at 3 p.m. they drop. So there's no available lots right now. I have to wait until 3, but these are the past lots. Here's some examples of lots won by resellers. So this is a lot from this girl named Virginia, and these are all the items she has. You can click on them and view them, and yeah, so it tells you what's in there. So then you click and you send an application into it, hopefully get accepted for it, and then if you get accepted, doesn't mean you won it. It means that you can send your commissions in, and Flyp has this guide where they think if you do 40% commission, you're more likely to win them, it's less competitive, and then 50 is what usually people do, and then 60 is if you're a really big seller with a lot of reviews and people will pay you out more, basically. And then there's a chat feature where you can go through and chat and convince people to give you their stuff. I think the best way to explain this is to go to their fact page and read off like kind of what it says. It's not very long, so I'm gonna do that. So it's, how does it work? Flyp allows resellers to expand into consignment and sell other people's clothes on a commission. Here's how it works. Number 1, clients list their items in lots for you to browse. Number 2, apply to sell the lots or lot, or most likely more lots because it's amazing, you like, and set your own commission rate. 3, once matched with a lot, Flyp will provide the client with a shipping label to get the items to you, so it's not no cost to you. I was worried at first, I thought I had to pay for the lot at first, but you don't have to pay for anything. And I don't know how they hold the seller accountable to actually pay the people and actually send the stuff back if people are crazy. I mean, obviously I'm a good person and I would of course do it, but I'm excited to see when I actually get a lot and learn more about the process of how they're actually doing that. I think this is a great app, and they were telling me it's made like thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars for resellers since it came out, I think a year ago or something. Number 4, once you receive the items, start selling them on platforms of your choice. Also, and then your commission cut includes like POSHMARK fees and stuff, so just keep that in mind when you're pricing your stuff, that the commission for the app's commission, like the fee, is gonna come out of your cut. And then number 5, lastly, when an item is sold and payment is ready, keep your commission and send the rest of your funds to the client. Cool. This is super cool, so I just wanted to make this a kind of a short video and tell you what it is. And thank you so much, Flyp, for sponsoring this, and I'm excited to get on your app more and use it. And at first they were asking me to make a video just explaining it like this, but then I thought, I don't know who wants to watch me just explain something, so I might as well show the process and do a little series of actually going through and documenting my whole, me using the app. So, because I'm the kind of person who's not gonna just promote something without trying it. I know some people do that, but I definitely like to practice what I preach, and if I'm gonna promote something, I wanna see how it works, and I'll always be honest if it's good or not, and I have a good feeling that this is gonna be a great app and a great tool for me, especially if I don't wanna leave the house during COVID and I want some inventory. And I think this is mainly gonna be, for me at least, the premium lots or like the more designer lots that are more competitive to get. But when I get more reviews and apply for more mid-tier lots and not as like high-end lots, I'll get like stuff under my belt on my account and then hopefully get accepted to high-tier lots. Because I feel like with commission, it's only really worth it if you have higher priced items, so you get a bigger commission. But it's a process, and I'm excited to see what happens. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this short video. If you guys enjoyed it at any time, click the like button, subscribe, and yeah, join my little thrifting family and my reselling journey that is gonna be documented over the next forever, hopefully. If you guys don't know and don't follow me on Instagram, follow me at WhySoThriftyStore right here. I document a lot more daily, and if you want to get in touch with me and have questions about stuff, then definitely there is the place to do it. Also, in the future, if you guys do like anything in my thrift hauls or lots, just email me if you would like it, and I always give discounts to YouTube viewers more. It's whysothrifty@gmail.com. And yes, I actually also news will be moving apartments for reselling. I'm getting a way bigger place on my own. I have roommates now. Getting a 1-bedroom with a huge area for reselling. And I'm gonna document the move and my reselling setup and everything. So awesome. Also, go in the description. There's links about my Reseller Rundown podcast that I host with my friend. And we are like interviewing people. We're giving tips and tricks. So definitely every Wednesday at 5 p.m. watch that live on this YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, to see the next episode of my Flyp series, stay tuned and make sure you hit the post notifications to be informed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Mwah. See you next time.